gentle morning breeze blows in paradise. Hell is hot for the disbelieving man. When one day they will finally face your great punishment, you will forgive even those who once called out to you. Have mercy on me.